Hello trail travelers, this is Kerry, and today we're going to take a look at the JACO ElitePro tire pressure gauge. And if you stick around to the end, you'll find out how you can win one of these for yourself. Stay right there. We'll be right back. Now, if you've been watching this channel for a while, you probably know that I'm a big fan of JACO Superior products. And I have their rapid tire deflator, I have their toe strap, and I have their ratchet straps, right? And today I got the ElitePro tire pressure gauge. Now, I have gone through a few tire pressure gauges lately. I have, the standard tube style that I got for free at Discount Tire. You can't see it at night, and it's not super accurate. It works, but at night, you're done. Unless you have a flashlight or a headlamp or something, you just can't see it. And I've tried the Slime Ultra pressure gauge, which is electronic. It's got a nice lit screen and everything, but it only gives you pressure in half-pound increments. And when you really dig into the specs, it's only accurate to plus or minus 2 pounds. Oh, it just wasn't good enough. And eventually the deflator knob came off, and so it's just a sharp point. It was time to get something new. And I, being such a big fan of JACO products, decided to see what they had, and they have the ElitePro pressure gauge. They have more than this one. They've got several. They've got a digital. They have an ElitePro that's can go up to 120 pounds, which I don't need that. This one goes up to 60 pounds, which is more than enough for my needs. Now, what I like about the JACO tire things, their deflator and their pressure gauge, is that they're highly accurate. They're calibrated with their NIST accredited industrial facility to plus or minus 0.5%. So very, very accurate on the pressure gauge. So I like having something that's accurate. I like something that works. But Kerry, you can't see that at night either, right? Well, actually you can. This is a glow-in-the-dark gauge. So even if it's been sitting in the dark for a long time and it's not glowing in the dark, hold it up to a light for a minute and it will stay illuminated in the dark for quite a while. So like that, very handy to be able to see in the dark. The thing feels really sturdy. I mean, it is just a good feeling product. And on the outside where these ribs are, this is actually rubberized. So this isn't hard steel or metal or anything. This is actually a rubber texture. You can kind of see it flex there. So it's good grip. And if you drop it, it's not going to break. It's going to be well protected by this rubber. Now, the hose on it is a total flex. They call it, I'm going to look at my notes here, hybrid flex. And very good quality. It's kind of a rubber-ish hose, and right at the base here, it spins and it does not leak air. I've not been able to get it to leak air at all. And on the tire side, the top of it swivels as well. So it makes it super easy to get onto a tire and get your reading. So works extremely well. What is kind of one of my favorite features of this is the lock feature. So once you put it on the tire and it does a reading, you can pull this off, then go and look at your gauge, and it will hold where that pressure was until you hit the pressure relief valve. Now, if you're overinflated, which my JL does once in a while, I'm watching the TPMS gauge on the cluster, and I'm trying to wait for it to get to 35 or 36 pounds, whatever I'm going to run at. And sometimes it'll just keep going, and all of a sudden, boom, it updates and it's at 39. So I can put this on here, hold the relief gauge, and let air out, let it off. I get a reading, and I can just keep going until I get exactly the pressure that I want. So handy feature with the lock. the deflator to let it out. Now I'm not going to air down my tires with this. It would take way too long. It doesn't let out a lot of air at once. But if you only need to take out a pound or 2 or maybe even 3, this is going to work really well. But if you're going to try and go from 35 pounds on a 37-inch tire down to 12 pounds, you will sit there for a while with this guy. And that's where the rapid inflator comes in. So I can put it on there, drop the tire pressure very, very quickly. And if I want to, I can get a quick reading on here, but I don't need to because the gauge on the rapid deflator is identical to this and it's super accurate. So I know when I'm deflating, I'm really accurate, but when I'm airing up, it's really hard to just stop right where you want. So sometimes it'll go over, I'll double check it with this guy, let a little air out if I need to, and it's going to work extremely well. The other thing about JACO products is they have a lifetime warranty, no questions asked. So if there's a problem, they're going to replace it, no sweat. So I have no fears about this thing breaking or not working down the road. If it happens, I contact JACO and they get you taken care of. Inside the box is a registration card for that warranty. So you never have to worry about it. You're all taken care of. Let me make sure I got all the features off the back here. The 360 swivel tire chuck, the pressure hold and reset, built-in air bleeder valve, rubberized protective guard, 2-inch glow-in-the-dark dial, and 100% lifetime warranty. Even if you're just not satisfied with it, they'll replace it. So highly recommend this. Now, how much does this bad boy cost? That's going to be the kicker. It's only 20 bucks. So very affordable for the quality that you get. I paid more than that for my slime and I just have never been happy with it, where this guy is going to last a lifetime, and if it doesn't, they replace it. So either way, I'm stuck with one of these for life, and it works. That pressure relief or the lock feature, super, super, super handy. Now, as I said, that's my review. So pretty short, simple review on the ElitePro tire gauge. But as I said, I have a second one right here, brand new, in the box, nice and sealed, ready for somebody to win. So how do you win one of these for yourself? It's pretty simple. There's 3 steps that you got to do. Number 1, you got to comment on this video. Don't care what you say, preferably something nice, and maybe, hey, I'd like to win that. So that would be number 1. Number 2, you have to be subscribed to this YouTube channel. So click on the subscribe button, and if you feel like it, slam down on that bell icon so that you're notified every time I put out a video. And then you have to go to the Instagram page, which is Trail Traveler, no spaces, very easy to find, link in the description. So go to Trail Traveler on Instagram and follow the page. So very simple, 3 steps: subscribe to the YouTube channel, comment on this video, go to Instagram, and follow me on Instagram at Trail Traveler. Very simple. The winner will be announced on July 25th. So I'm giving people plenty of time to get signed up to win this. So there's no rush, but don't forget, July 25th, I'll be pulling the name and contacting that person to get their address. And I'll announce it on Instagram as well as to who won. So if you want it, comment, subscribe, follow, done. So that's it. Very happy to promote JACO products. This was not sponsored. This was out of my pocket just because I needed one. So I ordered 2 and 1 to give away just because I think someone else is really going to appreciate this. So thanks for watching, everybody. This has been Kerry with Trail Traveler. Be sure and follow us on Facebook as well at Trail Traveler CO, Trail Traveler Colorado. That's where I'm from. Trail Traveler CO on Facebook. There'll be a link in the description, Instagram, and here on YouTube. Thanks for watching, everybody. Good luck, and I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.